Today, I'm going to show you how to beat the devil out of your brushes using the brush beater rack from Bob Ross Incorporated. And I'm even going to show you how to do it without killing yourself in the process. Hi everybody, this is Brian from Art Party Unlimited. Bob Ross mentioned the brush beater rack in his television show, The Joy of Painting, but he never actually showed you what it was or how to use it. Bob preferred to beat the devil out of his brushes on his easel.
Isn't that fun?
Well, I definitely don't recommend doing that. A better and safer option for you is to clean your big brushes with a brush beater rack. Here's how it works. Simply place your rack inside a trash can. Just give it a little push to make sure it's tight. Then just wash your brush as normal, get as much solvent back down into the bucket as you can, and beat the devil out of it. Cleaning your brushes this way is not without its dangers. Solvents are dangerous. You should avoid breathing the fumes or getting the solvents on your hands. Protective gloves are recommended, and I also recommend holding your breath while beating the devil out of your brush. Not forever, folks, just while you're using the rack. Even better, clean your brushes outside when the situation permits. One final note, don't use the beater rack for your small brushes or you'll be buying more brushes. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button so we can deliver more great content to you. Now go beat the devil out of those big brushes. Be sure to check out the description below this video for supplies and ways to stay connected with us.